Good morning, everyone. The stock market, as far as I'm concerned, is still biding time, waiting for a possible bottom and or sell off. Following the action on Tuesday, stocks gapped up, which is great for me, which means that I didn't get horrible fills on all the sell signals that I got on Monday. So it was very nice to get a gap up. We got sell signals again tonight, so it'd be nice for the market to gap up again. But once again, these higher opens and lower closes continue. So even on the NASDAQ, volume was lower than the day before on the up session. Not that bullish if you're a bull here that thinks the market's going to bounce right now. Also not bullish that we close lower than where we open. On the Russell 2000, the same exact thing happened. As you can see, we close lower than where we open. However, as you'll just also notice on both of these averages, we're still trending above the 50-day moving average. Therefore, we remain under neutral condition despite all the bearish leanings and observational technical patterns that are out there in various stocks. So we continue to bide our time, and we will wait to see what the market wants to do on Wednesday before making any other decisions towards the market. As of now, we are neutral, 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 neutral. Don't try to overlook it. We'll get to the sells. TXMD failing the 50-day moving average in heavy volume. That is the second day in a row of very heavy volume and 3 days of down days in a row on very heavy volume. So TXMD is going to be a complete goner. It was fun while it lasted, but no more. So TXMD, we are finally fully done with that one. FLDM is closing below the 50-day moving average on above average volume. That is a 25% sell. CSGP is following through with another close below the 20-day moving average on very heavy volume. It's trying to wipe out all of its gains. Therefore, it is also another 25% sell. WAGE is a 25% sell this time with this close below the 25-day moving average because it has now failed to attack the old highs and it's beginning to roll over. It actually has that rollover look. If we actually look at an arithmetic chart, you can see the rollover look looks even more prominent. We had the old highs back here in January 2014. Tried to get them here in March. We failed and we rolled over. If you look below, you can see the relative strength line failed to hit the new highs. And even though price is not yet hitting new 2014 lows, look at that relative strength line. That is new 2014 lows. Bearish divergence. And then our only other sell tonight, DHT, closing below the 50-day moving average. Why isn't it a full sell? It hasn't gone anywhere because the 776 close is below our ultimate final cut loss, 761. So it's another 50% sell. You can do 75%, but with me, I'll go ahead and see if it wants to bounce here. However, based on other transportation stocks, it isn't looking that great. But technically, they are still basing, so there's really nothing wrong with this one just yet. So 50%, you can do 75%, or you can do 100%. Doesn't matter to me. And I do have one new long position tonight. ZBB is producing a sell signal for me after its very explosive rally, whatever. I can never say that word right. On very heavy volume, it has decided to pull back. Volume was getting very, very low during the pullback, even accumulation within the base. Now a move above the recent highs with the 250 close. Puts it right at actually 250, the intraday highs of this most recent base. So that, for me, is a good signal to go long. Only 1% of account value because it is extremely, extremely speculative. But it's a very good speculative stock to go long. And if we are going to rally higher, this would be a prudent one to invest in, as it could probably produce a very large, quick gain. And as we saw, our most recent long, STAA, did work out immediately. This was a 2-day chart, which is the better of the two charts, and this is the daily chart on its breakout. It followed through today, so very nice action. All right, we'll see what Wednesday brings. Have a great Wednesday, everyone.